Hi, my kids. Today it will be the fourth lesson in basic summer course. But before I will go to the fourth lesson today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel to send you new videos. This course for kids stage. Okay, so the kids means KG1 and KG2. You can follow me in these videos because it's important to revise what we took during the academic year. Let's go to our lesson today. Last class, we took some of the letters that we learned. I will make you a revise. Then I have two new letters today. Last class we learned how to write capital A and small a. Capital A and small a, and know how to write it. I will write it again to see me how to write it. This is called capital A and small a. For what? For apple here. So I will make a revise again to follow me and to know how to write it, to write the word. Because it's important to know how to write the word, because we have missing letters and we have unscrambled or rearranged. So we must keep the word to be able to answer in the exam if we have missing letters, if we write it as a dictation of anything. So we must keep the word. Here is capital A and small a. For what? For apple. Here is capital B and small b written like this. I would like to see me how to write it. This is capital B and small b. Write it for what? For ball. So here we have now we know two words. We have apple and we have ball. Let's go to the next letters. Here I will make a revise for what we took before. Today I will start two new letters today. Okay. Here we have capital C and small c. Repeat after me. I would like to have a paper and repeat after me. Capital C and small c. Like what? Like car. We have car here. I would like to know that pronouns of C, it will be cat. It's like cat, like car. So here I pronounce letter C like letter K. Okay. Here is capital D and small d for dog. Capital D and small d for dog. Capital D and small d for dog. So we know capital A and small a. Capital B and small b. Capital C and small c. Capital D and small d. Do you know apple, ball, car, and dog? So this is the words that we learned in this video. Okay, let's go to another letters. to the next letters. Here we have capital E and small e, capital F and small f. Capital E, we know now. We know capital E and small e, and we know the word elephant. So here we have capital E and small e. It will be the word elephant. So now we know. So today we learn what? We learn apple, we learn ball, car, and dog. Here we know what? We know how to write elephant. We know also how to write elephant. So we have how many words? Apple, ball, car, dog, and elephant. So we have 5 words must be kept. I would like to keep it and write it me and send it to me on the channel to see how to write it. Okay, if you have any question or or want me to repeat another letter and know how to write it, I'm ready to do so. Okay, I would like to write and send it me on the channel if we want to see how to write it. Okay, here is capital E and small e, capital F and small f. Here is capital F and small f. And if we want to have a video or to have to make a class on Zoom, I'm ready to do so. If someone wants me to make a video on the Zoom, I'm able. But send me your name under the below the video to know it, and I will send you the link of the Zoom to enter me to enter me with a class on Zoom. Okay. Here is capital E and small e for elephant. Capital F and small f. Here is capital F and small f for what? Here for fish. So now we learn how many words. Let's count it together. Apple, ball, car, dog, elephant, and fish. So we have how many words? I will count it to you. I will count it to you. Apple, number 1. Ball, 2. car 3, dog 4, we have 5 elephant and 6 fish. So we know 6 words today. Here is capital E and small e, capital F and small f, capital E and small e for elephant, and capital F and small f for fish. Let's go to another letter, to the next letter. I will give you 2 letters only on the video to be able to keep it, okay? Here is capital G and small g. Here is capital G and small g. G for what? For girl. Here we have girl. So here is girl. So capital G and small g. For what? For what? For girl here. Capital H and small h. Forehead. Capital H and small h written like this. Will be hat. It will be here hat. Here we have capital G and small g for girl, capital H and small h for hat. So I will revise you the words that we learned today. Apple, bowl, car, dog, elephant, fish, girl, and hat. Let's go to another letters here. Here is capital I and small I, capital G and small g. I will write it to you. Capital I and small I. There is capital I and small I. I for what? For ice cream. I know all of us like ice cream. Okay? It's delicious. All of us know the ice cream, and all of us buy it, especially in summer. Here is capital I and small I for ice cream. Capital J and small j for jar. It will be capital J is pronounced as G, as D, like this. Jar, it will be jar. Here it will be jar. Capital I and small I for ice cream. Capital J and small j for jar. Okay. We say jar. We say jam. The word jam also. I know some of you can know jam. I think you took it during the academic years. Jam. Okay. I will repeat. I will make revise on the letters that we took it today. Today I will give you 2 letters only. Okay. 2 letters only. I will revise with you to be able to keep it. Okay. Here is capital A and small a for apple. Capital B and small b for bowl. Capital C and small c, car. Capital D and small d, dog. Capital E and small e, elephant. Capital F and small f, fish. Capital G and small g, girl. Capital H and small h to be hat. Capital I and small I, ice cream. Capital J and small j, job. Today we stop here on letter J. Next video we will continue. I would like to enjoy this story with me. I have a story. I would like to read it to make your video interesting. Because I don't want to be academic video. I want to have an entertainment with learning, both together. We have entertainment and we have we learn also. Okay, and we have learning also. Okay, let's go to our story today. I will leave you the link of the story below the video to download it, and if you want to listen again, listen again. Okay. Let's enjoy the story together. Here is the story is about what? Let's know the title of the story. It will be An Old Red Hat. Let's read this story. Let's read this story. Ada had a nest. What have you got there? Asked Mom. 1, 2, 3 eggs in a nest. So the nest in the nest we have 3 eggs. Said Ada. That is not a nest, said Mom. That is my old red hat. I'm going to sell the egg. To sell the egg means to go to the market and sell the eggs. To sell the eggs at the market, said Ada. Ada got on the bus to go to the market. A boy on the bus saw Ada. What have you got there? He asked. 1, 2, 3 eggs in a nest, said Ada. That is not a nest, said the boy. That is an old red hat. A lady on the bus saw Ada. Let me see. what have you got there? She asked. I have got 1 to 3 eggs in the nest, said Ada. I will give you 3 pennies for the eggs. Pennies is something like kind of money. 3 pennies for the eggs, said the lady. Ada got off the bus at the market. A man at the market. So Ada, what have you got there? He asked. 1, 2, 3 pennies, said Ada. What can I get with 3 pennies? So here ask about 3 pennies. Buying what? Let's go to know. Give me the 3 pennies and you can have this, said the man. Ada got back on the bus. A girl on the bus saw Ada. What have you got there? She asked. Ada shook her head like this, shook the head like this, and smiled, shook the head and smiled. She got off the bus and went home. Mom saw Ada. What have you got there? She asked. It's for you, said Ada. It was a new red hat. So so here can't know this, but now we know that it was what? It was a new red hat. Thank you, Ada, said Mom. By this page, we end from our story today and for our video. I hope to enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.